Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing two flower gels from Born Pretty. And basically these are slightly tinted gel polishes with some flowers or buds inside. They come in a small black tub like this, and they come completely sealed, so I'm just going to open this up and come right back. So this one is in the shade Colorful Bloom, and this one's like a purple tinted gel polish with some purple buds in it. And even though it looks pretty dark in the tub, it's actually transparent with the slightest purple tint, and I'm going to show you on a clear swatch stick. And I'm just going to place the gel onto the swatch stick with a small brush. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but this gel is very thick. It's a lot thicker than any gel that I've tried, just from a bottle. And because of this, it does look very uneven when you first apply it. So what I did was I just let it sit out and let it self-level for about a minute or so before I cured it. So I just cured that in an LED lamp for about a minute or so, and it does cure with a sticky layer. Another thing is that the gel polish is basically completely clear, so I don't think you're going to be able to tell that purple tint on your nails. And to clean my brush in between and after these swatches, I just rubbed it against a cotton pad that was soaked with some rubbing alcohol. This next one is in the shade Powder Makeup Jade, and again this one has a transparent base with a slight pink tint and some pink flowers. I also want to try this first on a clear swatch stick to see what it's like, and I will say that I think I like the flowers in this one a little bit better. I feel like the last shade had more flower buds, whereas this one has more small flowers in it. And another thing I noticed about this one after I cured it was that it seemed to have more texture and a rougher finish where the flowers were, compared to the last one where, even though it wasn't flat, it was definitely smooth. The gel base on this one also doesn't seem as thick as the last one, and it self-levels much faster, so that could also be a reason why this one feels a little bit more rough where the flowers are. But regardless, I would recommend to apply a top coat on top just to smooth out the texture a little bit. And once I was done, I just cured it in an LED lamp for about a minute. Here they are side by side, and if you look at the reflection of the light, you can kind of tell that the purple one is a little bit more smooth, whereas the pink one is a little bit more textured where the flowers are. I do like the pink one a little bit better, so I'm going to try using it on my own nails, and I'm going to start off with 2 coats of Le Mini Macarons Rose Jelly as my base. And I'm going to cure it in an LED lamp for 30 seconds after each coat. I just feel like this gel polish is way easier to apply to my nails, and it's also formulated with a base and top coat, so that's why I'm using it under and on top of the flower gel. Then I'm going to try to pick up just the flowers with as little clear base as possible, and then apply them to my nail by my free edge. Then I'm going to cure that in my LED lamp for about a minute, and then remove the sticky layer with a cotton pad dipped in some rubbing alcohol. And to smooth out that textured finish, I'm going to apply one more coat of rose jelly and cure it in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. So here is the finished design, and I think this is a really cool product. I haven't really seen anything like this before, but I think I would be able to get more use out of it if they had more flowers and less of the clear base in each pot. And that is all for today's review. If you want to check out some nail art supplies at Born Pretty store, you can use my code MGL10 for 10% off. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so consider subscribing. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!